Hi, I'm Shyam. I'm from Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Engineering College. My stream is BTech IT, but I didn't have any coding knowledge. I came as an incubation student here, and my trainer Nandi sir in Java and my trainer Maharaj sir in SQL. They have trained me very well, and I have placed in a good company now in good salary package. One of the best training institute in here. Then thank you for Vandana ma'am and Karnika ma'am to getting more support, and they are very friendly. QSpiders and JSpiders done a good thing here. Then I get more knowledge here only in Q and JSpider. I'm a JSpider student. I'm a developer. Then I am now placed in a company as a developer with a good salary package. Very thank you so much for my trainers and my institute. I'm very proud and I'm very happy to that I am placed in a good company and good salary package. Thank you.